Hey, what's up, my dudes? Another update. Sorry, it's been a while. I had to do Christmassy stuff, but I've been working on this pretty hard, and it's getting there. It's getting pretty far. So this basically looks like what it is in game. I have the bar over here scrollable, so that it works on tablet and phone. Doesn't matter how you scale it. But yeah, this is the thing. And then on these buttons here, I have it so it glows orange when you press them. That wasn't very hard, but took a little bit of extra time. I drew all these by hand, by the way. I had to make them all in Photoshop. And over here, I think these buttons don't have function yet. They're going to end up doing cameras once I add peer-to-peer connections, but for now, they don't do anything. And down here is the alarm, just like it was. And then over here, settings, don't do anything yet also. I mean, they do stuff on my phone because I have the debug version, which isn't finished yet. But this is probably what I'm going to give to you guys soon. I'll just push that whenever I feel like it. I have checkboxes here, but I'll remove those when I push the update. But the hacky thing still works like normal. Apart from that, this battery thing isn't functional yet. I will add that. Ping doesn't represent anything yet. It's just a random set ping. This is what it is in the game. It always says 34 milliseconds. Always. Doesn't matter what you're doing, if you're hacking or not in the game. It's always 34. Actually, they were pretty sloppy. I was looking at the footage in slow motion. Lots of things are wrong with their interface, so I might end up improving it a little bit, but this is the gist of it. This is what's going to be pushed in the next update. Just a simple, these things won't have function yet. They'll be pressable, but they won't do anything. The hack will run the hack, and the alarm will run the alarm, obviously. But after that, what I'm working on right now, I have some code that I'm going to implement for using an animation drawable, which is probably just a bunch of garbo that you guys don't really know about, but I mean, it's something, basically a GIF, or GIF, however you want me to say it, but in Android Studio, so that I can animate without using a really compressed MKV video file. And that would make it look a little bit better if I could get it working. Right now I'm working on memory errors, because it takes up a lot of space to load a bunch of really high quality PNGs and then play them in sequence. So I'm working on managing memory space right now so that it's functional on basically all devices, regardless of the device performance. After that, I suppose I need to add language options so you can choose Korean, English. Somebody suggested to include German and they would translate it for me. I'll probably end up accepting that. And then after that, actually I have a list of things to do, but immediately after fixing up this jazz so that the setting menu actually exists, I'm going to add language, the option to have it vibrate, the option to play audio over the vibration, because the vibration isn't that loud on some devices. You know, it's not actually audible from around the person. That's sort of the purpose. It's supposed to just notify you. But for that, I'll add some extra audio. And then, in addition to the extra audio, somebody suggested using audio clips from the game, like Dokkaebi's voice while she's hacking. I don't know if I'm going to end up including that. But I know I will put in animations for, like, when you press the cams or the drone or the hack button, maybe even if you're hacking other devices, it will play the little animation in this main screen here that it does in game, you know, just the loading animation kind of thing. But yeah, that's that. So I'll look forward to it.